The following segment is sponsored by Swire Coca-Cola USA. Well, it's November, and you know what that means. It is officially the holidays, and we are getting things kicked off right. We've got Sydney and Erica, and they're going to show us how to make a delicious mocktail from Swire Coca-Cola. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hey, we are so glad to be here because we wanted your viewers to know first that the very popular Sprite Winter Spiced Cranberry is on shelves now, and people email us all the time saying, where is it? Because it sells out so fast.
Okay,
so we wanted you to know it's available.
Yeah, so that tells you how fast it, because I'm looking for this kind of stuff.
You know, it has such a fun festive kick, but it's really great also as a drink mixer. So I thought it'd be great to bring Sydney in. She's from one of our great partners, Ivy and Varley, and she's going to do a little holiday mixing for us to get us in the holiday spirit.
Okay, let's do it. Show us how we're going to make this perfect cocktail or mocktail.
Absolutely. So we have a few options today. I personally would opt for the gin or maybe a spritzer with the Laurent Perrier. However, we have the Ritual, which is a 0 proof. It's aperitif. Really delicious. So this
I
is
tried
a
this
fun
when I was
mixer.
pregnant, and it kind of like filled that void here.
Get the warmth of a...
Yes.
Like
you look like you're about to be a scientist. Right here. Like when I'm making cocktails,
I have my tools. We're ready to go. So yeah, you know, if you're making these at home, you don't necessarily have to do a whole lot of measuring. So
I take it
you
you don't do a lot. I was going to say, I take you don't measure a lot, Brooke.
We're just going to pour a little bit. But
okay.
I like to do pretty much the same amount of the Ritual or whatever your base spirit is, and then a little less of the acid.
Okay.
Because typically your spirit's going to be a little
is that like
sweeter.
Lemon juice?
This is lemon juice.
Okay.
Yep.
So
we're going to do that. Yep. And then we have some ice in here already, so typically you just want to like dilute a drink, so that's going to kind of...
This is my favorite part. Is this the shaking?
So
yeah, there we go.
Shake it up. Here we go.
Do your best
A good time's about to happen.
I feel like you should do a little.
I think
there we go.
There we go.
That's the sound. People know they're coming to the party.
You got it. So I think like anything can really go with this Sprite. So we have the Winter Spiced Cranberry here.
Okay,
it's going to be a really nice mixer, and it's going to make a really nice holiday drink. At Ivy and Varley, we like to do craft cocktails, so we have different syrups. Maybe we'll make a Winter Spiced Cranberry syrup with a Sprite, something along those lines.
That's what's so great, is this has a base that you can really mix it. You can just drink it alone. Where can we find this?
I always say Spiced Winter Sprite Cranberry. I always get it mixed up. But it's on store shelves now. It's also in convenience stores, gas stations. But I'm telling you, it's super popular and goes really fast.
Okay.
A lot of people buy just the caseload and try to save it for all year long. It's limited time only. So once it's gone, it's gone,
people.
Gone.
And if you're feeling a little lazy and want to have a cocktail made for you, you can go to Ivy and Varley. Where can we go for more information?
Yeah. Go to swirecc.com. Both the recipes there, and it's just fun to know that this stuff is made and bottled by your neighbors. We've got a production plant out in West Valley, and friends and neighbors at your local bottler. So thanks for having us in.
No, thanks for bringing the drinks and the party, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm the only one with one. I'll just drink it by myself.